I wanted to show you a video on gold, silver, and oil. I'll put the link in the below.
And then we break it. Normally it's head and drop. We broke over, so that's a very bullish move for the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar is showing a lot of strength, but it's extended here. So I see it probably basing for a little bit before it moves higher, but I certainly see an opportunity for this to move higher. And check this out. Had this line, resistance, resistance, resistance. We broke it for the week. It broke resistance. So this is a big time bullish move. If you look at the monthly, here it's just chopping higher. We're dropping, but if this thing rolls up on the MACD down there, this could just continue to rise. Crude oil, big time 12-month lows were under $30. I was looking for a buy, if you remember, on this because we had a falling wedge. This thing looked great. However, it needed to stay between these two trend lines or break above. It did not do that. It broke below. And that is no good. If you look here at the weekly chart, same thing, weekly chart. Last week it actually broke below it. It ruined any real chances. And now we have follow through to the downside. Look at the massive volume. It's not shocking because you have everybody selling crude oil right now because of the drop that it's doing. However, if I go back and take a look at something on the daily, and I'll point it out to you guys. On the daily chart, we drop. Now we get this doji, so big doji that dropped. I think this is going to be an island doji, or if we're very fortunate, as far as the bulls are concerned, this will be an abated baby reversal pattern. Now what that means is more of an exotic reversal pattern. If you have two open windows here, which we do here, not by much, but we do, and if we pop, given this our second, if we have an open window here, which we do, and we pop up, and we get a second open window here, gap up, then this could be a big time bottom for oil. And you're hearing it here. I'm calling if we get a big gap up on Tuesday when the market's open. Remember, it's Martin Luther King Day on Monday. We are not open in the U.S. market on Monday. Markets are closed, but on Tuesday we get this big gap up, and I got an alert set at $9. We get over $9, I'm going to be watching this because I'm going to be looking to buy crude oil because this could definitely be a bottom. Look at the huge volume rolling in. This could be capitulation. I know I'm using a lot of words, a lot of terms you guys don't know. No problem. Get through our mentoring, and you'll be caught up, and you'll understand how to trade, what this terminology is, how to use it to make money in the markets. Gold and silver, gang. Now listen to me. Now, this here, this is a month or a daily chart. We're within the confines of a triangle. Look for a breakout. If this dude breaks out, I'm looking to buy silver. I'm looking to buy gold. Let me show you the weekly chart. What has me excited about this? Look at this. Big falling wedge. This is great, isn't it? Big, and we have this awesome bullish divergence. I didn't draw this in. I should probably show you. Let's do this. We're going up here, going down here, big time bullish divergence. We're at a support level. If it starts to rise, breaks this trend line, buy city on silver. And the monthly, look at this. It just looks juicy, doesn't it? It's beautiful, gang. Very, very nice. Love it, love it, love it. And gold, very similar. Precious metals, something I'm looking for. This here is, let me double click gold. Big symmetrical triangle. We're bouncing around in here. If it breaks. If you remember, I put this triangle down here. If it pulled back to this area, you could buy in at it, and it touched the line and popped. I did not get in at that line. That would have been the line to get in. I talked about it, but didn't do it. But if this thing breaks out and gets over these resistance area, and you can see the numbers there, that's big time buy territory. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart. I'm looking for this dude to rally and break out and run. And furthermore, the monthly chart, look at this. It's right there. It broke over, it pulled back. The next 2 weeks, if it can continue higher the next 2 weeks, that's buy territory, gang, because it will have broken a major trend line on the monthly chart. So remember, if it goes higher, I said buy. I gave you a triangle or a arrow here, but I also gave you a thumbs up. Warning if it breaks lower, like crude oil broke lower in the falling wedge, so that would be big time warning. Here's the VIX. I'm going to show you the monthly chart on the VIX. This is the fear indicator. It's rolling over. See the cupping formation? Now we're heading up. I said watch for it to pop for the month. It's already starting to roll. First time it's been over the 20-month moving average in a long, long time, and we're right there at it. I mean, it's just been forever. When's the last time we've been over that 20-month moving average? I got to pull in a lot of data here, and I don't have enough data to do it. So it's just never been above it, and we're getting ready to get above it now. Look at this. Look how much data I'm bringing into this. Look at that line. We're just over it for the month. Let's look at the weekly. Look at the weekly. Same thing. A lot of lines. The weekly has already, last week it broke that. So I said, look at this thing to rally. Sure enough, that's what's happening. Wow. Daily chart right here. Boom. Big run on the daily chart. And if you go here to free online trading education, the only thing I want to share with you is something that's free, and you want to get signed up for the 101 courses, you can do that right there. I talked about mentorship a few times. Click on.
Check it out, guys. I'll put the link